Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, you'll know where to go to get your tickets to the gun show with strapped bicep curls on the path of least resistance.
Lay two heavy-duty nylon dog leashes flat over a horizontal bar on a chain-link fence about shoulder-width apart and clip them onto the wires beneath. Facing the fence, loop the leash handles around your wrist and plank back to pull them tight. Grab the straps in your hands, bend only at your elbows and pull towards your face. Twist your pinky towards your face to further contract your bicep and build a mountain peak on the muscle. Smoothly control the arm back open again, keeping constant pressure on the bicep, protecting your tendons from unnecessary trauma. You can increase the resistance by gradually walking your feet closer to the fence or lengthening your leashes by clipping them higher up, closer to the bar. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Let them stare with alarm. You've got the right to bare arms with these strapped bicep curls on the path of least resistance.